big, we want to be in need of oxygen, and we want our hearts to beat yellow. This roller coaster ride is by far the most exciting of all. Fears may have fallen several times out of disappointment, but nothing beats the feeling whenever we see the two of you together. Because at the end of the day, it is not just how you make us feel giddy, but it's the way you show everyone how genuine your friendship is.
What is it?
You guys are special. You may not know it, but you owe you something. For your genuine and sincere as family. You guys know when we gave the word popper a different meaning. Poppers are no longer mere fans. Poppers are already family. The laughter, the excitement, the ultimate feeling, and sometimes the loneliness, all the memories shared in this family have created will never be replaced. The love we have for you, we have for everyone else. This, along with our trust in you, is the best weapon we could ever have as we go and fight fair. This battle's not yet over. Perhaps we still have a lot of things to prove, but rest assured that you will never be left behind. Our support for you will never be withdrawn. And we salute you for being humble. James, thanks for your words and actions. Those were our assurance. The hope that you guys gives us to stay strong in this skirmish. We still have a long way to go, and we can only guarantee one thing: that we will work as hard as we can to make sure that someday it will not be just probably, obviously, or honestly,